You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this pencil art tutorial as we draw the reflections. Let's ride on. Please like this video. Subscribe to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for exciting learner-friendly art tutorials on video weekly. Do also drop your comments. Also help us to share our video link with your family and friends so that they can watch and also join in supporting us. Thank you so much. I have here with me a piece of A4 white paper, 2B, 5B, and 10B pencils for the light, middle, and dark tones in shading. I also have a cutting board for blending the pencil tones in some areas. There is also a drawing board where I place my drawing. After watching this drawing on video, please get your own pencil and paper and create your own drawing. You can do it. I truly believe in you. If in the process of trying the drawing over and over again you encounter difficulty, you can reach us by making comments so that we can also give you a helping hand. Congratulations in advance. We are gradually coming to the end of this art tutorial, the reflections. Please like the video. Subscribe also to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for a weekly, exciting and learner-friendly tutorials on art. Do also drop your comments and help us share the video link with your family and friends so that they can also watch and come and join in supporting us. From all of us at ABC Creative Art TV, we thank you so much for spending your time to see our channel activities. Thank you. See you in the next video.